Let's talk about your files, OneDrive and SharePoint, and what's the difference and how it works with File Explorer. OneDrive is your personal work drawer in the cloud. It's private by default, and only you can see what's in there, unless you choose to share something. Examples of things you'll want to be using this for are drafts that you're working on, notes, to-do lists, but in general, it's for any file that you don't need to collaborate on with the team, yet. SharePoint, on the other hand, is where your team or department keeps shared files. It's like a central filing cabinet that everyone in your team can access, based on permissions. Examples of things you'll be using this for are shared documents, policies, templates, project folders, but in general, it's for anything your team needs to collaborate on. On your computer will be the OneDrive app. This will have been configured for you automatically and largely runs in the background. This brings your cloud storage, both OneDrive and SharePoint, directly into File Explorer. It's like having a window into the cloud right on your computer. Any file that you create or update in your desktop, documents, or pictures folders automatically sync to your own OneDrive in the cloud. And any file you create or update in a SharePoint folder will automatically sync to the SharePoint document library in the cloud too, and it'll then become visible to other team members who have access to the same library. Some types of files, such as Excel spreadsheets, even support multiple users opening it and editing it together at the same time, but let's have that discussion another day. Going back to File Explorer, every synced folder and file is going to have an icon against it that shows its OneDrive status. There's quite a few, so take a look at the link on the screen to go to a Microsoft webpage that explains them all. Because of the way this is set up and works, if you were to log into another computer, your files are going to follow you there. I won't say it never goes a little wonky, but it's rare to need IT to intervene in this automatic process. Let's talk about another folder that files you work with might get saved to. Whilst using a web browser, you may end up downloading files from the internet. These will go into the Downloads folder. This folder isn't synced to OneDrive or SharePoint, so remember, if the file is important and you need to ensure you'll always have a copy, move it to your OneDrive or a SharePoint folder, as if something were to happen to your computer and you've not put it in the right place. You've lost it. I won't talk any more on this as it's challenging without going client-specific, but as always, if you have any questions whatsoever, remember to get in touch. See you again soon.